Alrighty. I am making this. I am making it in here. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, people, we are making this beautiful pork in here. It is hot, very hot. That might help. Yeah. What happened? Okay, this is what happened. Okay, gonna flip it. Turn it up. Flip it. Aye. You think you can flip it again? It is frozen, but we're gonna keep doing this until it's unfrozen. Alrighty, it's going down. Go back the other side. The plan was to do this and then I'm gonna take this and put it on my tray, and it's gonna finish off in here. Ta-da! We put on broil and we got good results. Voila! We wait. Oh, time check. What's going on? Yo, look at that. It's disgruntled. Disintegrated is the word. Whoa. It's going down. Okay. It is raw inside. So we're gonna keep it in. Probably turn it around. Sounds like a plan. Can't go wrong with that turn. Turn it up. It was first frozen. This is why we had to do this. Put it in the oven, because frozen is not gonna cut it. Alrighty. Excuse my flapping self. There we go. We need to separate it. It's not accepting it. Okay. There we go. We wait for that one to separate. Put it back. Voila. Time check. Time check. Are we checking or time checking? Alrighty. Whee! That's hot. Oh my. I need my sweater down. This could take you with you. Oh boy. Come on, man. There we go. I wanted to turn it around and we did. Now we started off with a flare and this is now separate. It's coming along. You know, cooking is an art, right? Right. We take it slow, nice and easy until we get there. Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Nice and easy. You are all invited to the cook. It's hot in here, you guys. Look at this. Hey! Oh my God. Ooh la la. Look at that. It is hot. Very hot. They seem ready to me. I'll take one. Put it here. I'll take the rest. I'll put them in there and leave them there. Sounds like a plan. The more the fire, the better. I turned it off, as you can see. And this we gotta check. Okay, we're gonna check it out. That's me making a lot of pork chops. Bruh. Voila! Looks perfect inside. We gotta try it. Yeah, okay, cut it up. Voila. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. You hear that texture? It is amazing. Amazing texture. You can tell they are still juicy. And that, my friend, is a win-win situation. Okay. Now that I tried it, I'll put the rest of them out because that's the perfect texture. Perfect. Bon appetit. Alrighty. We got our pieces. We're gonna put them here. I already put some, but we're gonna put this here. That was life-changing. It tastes so good. Voila. Yo, bon appetit. We got the juice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but hey, here we got our beautiful pork chops.